Hi guys, James here, and welcome to my modelling channel. If you should know what it's called by now. Anyhow, this is a mail call. So this turned up in the post over the late last week. It's from John Alex Scale Modelling. So again, we have a shop card and his lovely sticker. He's a nice guy. Give him a shout out. He's just finished beautiful Spitfire Mark 9, Airfix Spitfire Mark 9, and you should go over and see it. I'll put a link in the description. Anyhow, that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and subscribe. Okay, bye for now.